Welcome to China Aviation News. Here is CAN Press. I'm Wu Jianfei. At first, let's look at the news of the week. Karamay Aviation Tourism Festival of Xinjiang opened on August the 16th, which is also the first aviation tourism festival of northwest China. PLA-81 parachute team and Swiss Breitling jets gave wonderful air show. Meanwhile, aircrafts less Promoto, Airstrike, model aircrafts, and light aircrafts gave static display and performance. On August the 10th, the hot climate fuel parallel test flight of ARJ-21-700 made complete success as the ARJ-21-700 number 102 aircraft smoothly landed at Xi'an Yanliang Airport. This is the first domestic hot climate fuel flight test carried out in strict accordance with the civil aviation regulations. Marking another technical difficulty was overcome in the test flight methods of the civil aircraft fuel systems and verifying the running capability of ARJ-700 aircraft fuel system in extreme hot weather conditions. On August the 12th, 2013, Eaton-SAMC Pipe Co. Limited and China Aviation Industry General Aircraft Co. Limited signed the pipe manufacturing business agreement of Pilot 150 business jets. The total value of the contract was $31 million. Under the agreement, Eaton-SAMC will deliver 2 test flight piping products respectively in 2013 and 2014, with a total delivery of 301 piping products by 2030. Recent news revealed that the relevant departments are considering decentralizing the approval authority of general aviation flight routes, so that the takeoff and landing of the future general aviation will be more flexible. According to media reports, the overall principle currently established by China's general aviation is classified aerospace and aeronautical management, with corresponding rules and specific measures being currently studied. AVIC signed with the city government of Hefei that the project of AVIC Hefei Culture Creative Industry Park, an urban complex was a facility settled in Hefei, about to build the only comprehensive base in Anhui Province that integrates aviation flight entertainment, science education, and training. On August the 14th of 2013, COMAC and Bombardier Aerospace held the third meeting of the Cooperation Promotion Committee. As of September the 20th, Hong Kong Express Airways will open the flight route from Hong Kong to Chiang Mai on a daily basis. MA60 has operated well since its entry to Tonga flight routes, flying a total of 6.5 hours and turning over 200 passengers. On August the 14th, the evening announcement of Air China said that the company would issue 5 billion yuan of bonds, of which 4 billion yuan will be used for daily production, means 1 billion used to repay bank loans. On August the 15th, the U.S. Parker Aerospace Group, AVIC Xi'an Flight Automatic Control Research Institute, and Xi'an High-Tech Zone signed the MOU for C-99 flight control system production based located in Xi'an High-Tech Zone. On August the 15th, the T3 terminal building of Shenyang Taoxian International Airport was formally delivered. From August the 20th, Tianjin Airlines will open Urumqi to Canada's flight route. It is reported that the model for this route is E190 on a daily basis. Now let's have a short break. Welcome back. Yunnan Ruili Airlines signed with Boeing signed a purchase agreement of 8 Boeing 737-700 passenger aircraft and 6 Boeing 737-800 passenger aircrafts, and signed with Germany Air Berlin agreement of purchasing 2 Boeing 737-700 aircrafts this year and 2 Boeing 737-800 aircraft next year. Ruili Airlines is expected to start flight in the Spring Festival of 2014. According to reports, Ruili Airlines establishes main operating base as Kunming Changshui Airport, with Mengshi as a flight base. Cathay Pacific Airways Limited O293HK turned from deficits to profits in the first half of this year, but the profit was far below the analyst expectations. The profits of this company continue to be encumbered by the decreased needs for the first and business classes, as well as continued weakness of the air cargo market. Measured by revenue, Cathay Pacific Airways is one of the largest airlines in Asia. Creating a regional aviation hub is huge direct benefit, but for airlines, international flight routes, especially intercontinental and the transoceanic long lines, play a crucial role in influencing their overall revenue. As China has had the hub operating concept for many years, Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou have currently become large-scale aviation hubs. Currently, in the disputes over East Asian aviation hubs, domestic hubs had inherent advantages in market size and geographical relationships formed under nature conditions. But there are also obvious shortcomings in industrial operation level of major airlines and civil aviation. Another airlines that plays a leading role. The first is going role. 3 major airlines, for example, have weakness of channelized operation, centralized profits, and absolutely marketized passenger source. With their operation focused on the main business of air transports, profits business relying on sales of passengers and cargo cabins, and the source of passengers and cargoes totally coming from market channels. Another weakness is the dispersion and even dislocation of the rights to operate international flight routes. As a final result of individual skill performance and the multi-balance and the hidden rules, problems like the mismatching of the obtained traffic rights with the models and fleets, with the geographic and advantage of main operation hubs of airlines, and with network channels have caused high operation costs and discounted comprehensive advantages of international flight routes. Thank you for watching China Aviation News. I'm Wu Jianfei. See you next time.